Yeah, today concept is about assignment operators in Python. So generally, assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. Assignment operators are used to assign values to what? Variables. Clear this point, everyone? Yeah. Assignment operators are used to assign values to the variables. So how do you do that? So what kind of assignment operators are available in Python? So let's say we have a equal. This one we call it as a equal. We have a plus equal. We have a minus equal, incremental, decremental equal. We have a multiplication equal. We have a division equal. Like this, we have some operators which are used to do some same operation. So in simple terms, assignment operators are used to assign some values to the variables. Okay. So examples. Create example. Let's say company underscore name is equal to Infosys. Company underscore name equal to Infosys. Here, this first part we call it as a first part we call it as a variable name. This part we call it as a value or object. But what we are doing here, we are assigning this value or object into the variable called company name. When I refer company name, I am getting the value whatever I have stored. In order to assign this value to this particular variable, what symbol I am using? Equal operator, equal symbol, right? So equal symbol is what it's doing. It is doing assignment of this value into this variable. So after assigning, whenever you refer this variable, I am getting the data, right? If you want to assign some other new company name is equal to Wipro, for example. So when I refer it, I am getting Wipro. So here this equal operator is a assignment operator. When you use equal operator, whenever you want to assign some value into the variables. Everyone clear on this point? We did so many examples on this, right? Okay, next part plus equal. We have a plus equal, right? We have another operator called plus equal. Let's do some examples on this one. When will you use exactly the plus equal? I have a variable called a is equal to 10. I have a variable called b is equal to 20. So here I want to add 3 to 3 to I want to add 3 plus a and assign result back to a. What I mean by that is here a is equal to 10. So I want to do this operation 3 plus a. 3 plus a means what I will get? 3 is 3 plus a means I will get 10, right? 3 plus 10 is what? 13. So I want to assign a value to be 13 again. So that means that I want to concatenate this a value with 3, and after that whatever results I am getting, I want to assign the result back to the same variable. Clear, guys? Let's say a is equal to a plus equal to 3. A plus equal to 3. Here internally what is happening, A equal to A plus 3. As per this context, this expression is equal to this expression, guys. What is happening? A equal to A plus 3. So whatever output it is going to return, that value is going to be overridden with the A value, right? Previously it is 10. In this context, 10 plus 3, 13. A value is going to be the 13 value. So this expression is same like this only. If you want to check this now. What is A value? 13. Even if you do B equal to 20 in our context, right? I want to concatenate 3. I want to add some 3 and store that output back to the same variable. Let's say B is equal to B plus 3. Here what is happening, guys? B is equal to B plus 3 means what is the B value? 20. Plus what is the, it's constant, right? 3. 20 plus 3. The output will be 23. 23 is going to store what? B. That means that 20 is going to be overridden with the new value, whatever it is returning back. B is 23. Did you observe it? Is there any difference between this one and this one? Here I used plus equal to assignment operator. It will do increment with this number and assign the output back to this variable. That's what this means. So here A is equal to 10. What I did, A plus equal to 3. That means that this expression is equal to this. A is equal to A plus 3. 10 plus 3. Whatever value it is returning, it is going to be right to the which variable, guys? A only. So that's why I am getting 13 here. If you take this one, I am not using this one because I don't just want to explain you the either these two things are behaving in the same way. Here B is equal to B plus 3. Here B value is 20 and 3, 23. Output is B, 23. So now B plus equal to 3. So what output I am expecting when I print B? I am getting
20.
26 because in this context latest value is 23, right? After that I am incrementing this 23 with 3, 26, and what it is doing, it is doing the B plus 3 and assigning the output back to the same variable B. Am I getting 26 or not? Everyone clear on this syntax? Everybody is clear? So plus equal to is equal to this statement only, guys. So let me take another example. So num1, I'm just taking another example. Num1 is equal to 2, guys. Okay. Num1 equal to num1 plus 5. Num1 is equal to num1 plus 5. What is the num1 value? 2. 2 plus 5. Output will be 7. 7 is going to store into this variable, right? That means this 2 is going to be overridden with the new value, whatever it is written and storing here. Num1, 7. Okay. So I am taking num2 equal to 4. Num2 plus equal to 2. Num2. I am getting 6. Whether these two expressions are equal or not, the variable name only the difference, but this one and this one is doing the same thing, right? I'm expecting some answer here. Is it same thing or not?
Yes. Same.
Same, right? Yeah. So basically, this statement is equal to this statement only internally, but this is the shortcut way of doing this things like this. So like this, let's do some examples on minus equal to. When I use plus equal to, it is doing increment with this value, assigning that value back to the same variable. If you do minus equal, it will do decrement actually. Let's say age is equal to 30. Age minus equal to 2. Age. What I'm getting? 28. Because 30 minus 2 is what? 28. So minus equals means first it will do the minus operation between this one and this one. Age minus 2. 30 minus 2 is 28. After that, output 28 is assigning back to this same variable age. When I refer age, I am getting 28 here. Let's say salary equal to 3,000, 30,000. There is a decrement in our salary. Salary minus equal to 500 is the decrement. After salary 500 decrement, what is the result value? 29,500 only, right? I can also do the same operation by using another approach, right? Normal approach. Salary equal to salary minus again another 500. Here 29,500 is the latest value of the salary. That means that 29,500 minus 500. Whatever output it is giving, I am going to get in the 29,500 minus 500. I am getting 29,000. So this one also doing the decrement and assigning this value to this variable. This one also doing same thing. Instead of writing like this, I would recommend you to like this. Whenever you want to use the variable value and also you want to write the output back to the same variable, that time you can use this kind of syntax, guys. This kind of syntax is preferable if you want to store this data into some new variable. Let's say out is equal to salary minus 300. Out is same thing. Salary is the same. Salary is not getting overwritten here because we just use the value whatever stored in this variable. We are not writing anything new value back to this because of this is the altogether new variable, right? 29,000 minus 300. Whatever output is returning, it is returning back to this one. Everybody clear? Yeah. Let's do some examples on multiplication and equal. It's same thing, guys. Whenever you are seeing equal and this kind of symbol, those are used comes under the assignment operators. Let's see that how we can do that. Let's say units is equal to total price. Total price is equal to, let's say, 400, guys. Okay. Okay, it's not going to this example. Yeah, this example may not work because it's a multiplication, right? I'm thinking in another way. So, for example, total price multiplication equal to what is happening here? Total price multiplication equal to this expression is equal to total price equal to total price into 2. Here, what is the total price? 400, right? 400 into 2, 800. So I'm assigning this 800 back to the same variable total price. That means that 400 is going to overwritten with the new output. Same concept like other variables. So when I refer total price here, am I getting 800 or not? Are you guys clear? Any doubts here? If you understand one assignment operator, either plus or minus, It is same thing. Only thing is the operation out is getting changed based on the symbol what we use here. So this is the use of star equal. Now next we'll work on division and equal. See, if you observe it, these all are like a mathematical arithmetic operators. With addition to that, we are using equal. These are like a shortcuts way of doing things, guys. If you want, you can do like this also. But Python providing this kind of syntax, it is also doing same thing. Why should we go with this kind of? You can go with this, right? This is also same. Let's say 20. Let's say cost is equal to 3000. Cost division equal to cost division equal to 4. 75,500. Because it first what it is doing internally 3000 division 4, and whatever output it is, this output will be 75,000, 750,000, 750. Okay. After that, it is using the assignment of it is using assignment operator. So the output is going to store into this variable. When I refer this, I am getting output like this. Everybody clear? Mostly, generally we use the plus equal, minus equal, multiplication and equal most of the time in our programs. Very rarely this one used, but it totally depends on the use case when you will use it. If you are not comfortable with this, you can follow this kind of syntax also, but I would recommend you to use this kind of thing whenever you get a chance. Okay.